Hey, I just wanted to talk about the Indian IT industry in its current state and the various challenges it is facing at this point of time. The Indian IT industry started, catching up its boom more during the second half of the 1990s, wherein you had the Y2K boom come in first, followed by more closer to 2000 having the dot com boom come in, and these things really boosted the amount of business that the Indian IT industry was getting. That was actually a phase where world over the IT itself was booming, and when people started realizing that they had enough work pool available in India, uh, they could tap into that work pool and at the same time end up saving a lot of money. And that's where a lot of business houses got into it. In fact, I do remember that the situation was such that uh, there were companies who wanted work to be done, but there weren't enough companies in India who were there to take up the work. So people were running through a lot of challenges, and that's the time where some of the smaller players were the got a chance to get into the business, and they could cater to some of the gaps that were there in terms of supply of work that was coming in from all over the world, especially the US and Europe. Um, Once that came in, they did go through a couple of recessionary phases which were quite uh, minor as compared to um, what is currently going on in 2013. Today, the situation is such that the wages have, are at a very high level, quite unsustainable for the long run, especially the wage growth. And another challenge that the organizations have been getting is that they they now need to start showing better revenue per person, uh, which of course is a challenge because if you want to do that kind of a thing, the only option you have to is to either grow up in the value chain or provide better quality of your service. um, Better quality of service is not really too much of a, uh, does not really help too much in case somebody wants to you know get into that space, because today a world of people are going into cost cutting, and they are, when they look at India especially, they basically would put work into India only if it is cheaper. I am yet to meet clients who want to move work to India and at the same time don't expect a cost cutting in place. So that of course is quite a challenge, and I think the biggest challenge right now is a habit that the Indian IT industry has built over the um, past 15 years or so, wherein they were so engrossed in their growth that they stopped looking or started compromising on the quality of the people they were taking in. And this especially has hit is going to hit them very badly at this point of time, because right now among the normal professional in the IT industry, we have we have a huge we have a huge pool of people who have got the habit of just backriding against better quality people in the IT industry, and now they have a lot of experience. The organizations are used to them, and they probably cannot throw them out, but at the same time they probably cannot make them produce work that is of a higher value. So like I said, it is going through a very interesting phase wherein the organizations want to have better revenue per person, but they probably can't figure out how to do that. Let's see how this thing goes. My take would be that they probably cannot succeed much on this front, because they have been doing work in a particular style, and none of them really would have uh, you know, the risk appetite to take in terms of trying out something absolutely disruptive to come up. So the guess is that the older players would perish. Uh, there might be newer players who might come in, but then again, work power is a major concern. Thank you.